Case, where are we going today?
Hotel.
At the hotel. Where are we going? At the hotel, she said it. Yeah, let me hear you. Yeah.
The daddy at the open.
Are you ready, Kinley? We are here. And there's Daddy with all our stuff. What happened, Case? What did Daddy do? You don't even know what happened, do you? You got the stuff?
Yeah.
4 kids in 7 years.
I don't do that.
Today we are taking Frontier Airlines. Hi Brady. Hi Kinley. Hi Case. I have Alessi in my carrier. We were each able to take one personal item. Oh, Case, wrong way.
What's that doing?
All right, they're pausing boarding due to maintenance. They're fixing something on the plane. They have to fix our plane, Case.
How did they break?
They said Case was too heavy.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. They have to fix something.
Why?
I don't know.
Maybe the wheels came off.
Maybe.
They have to put it back on. Go get coffee first.
All right, I'll go get coffee. Dun, 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 dun. We made it. We're getting on the plane. Alessi, is this your first plane ride?
Alessi, do you want to sit
Is this your first time?
Alessi, do you want me to sit over here? Alessi, do you want me to
Show her out the window.
at the window?
Wow.
I'll find it for you in a second.
Case, are you in a window seat? Case?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Open.
Shut it. Alessi, I thought would be you in.
Is that how you're gonna fly? You guys are both buckled.
So we're gonna be shut.
Yeah, let her do it now. Let her do it.
Yeah, open.
Say open.
Shut. Oh, shut. Oh, we're taking off.
What's your favorite part of the plane?
Mostly the seats.
The seats.
And
What seat number are we?
23. ABC. 23 ABC.
Alessi, what's your favorite part of the plane? You love that?
You want to do a clockwise?
Good job.
Now you put tight. I'll get it.
Want your jacket?
Craft is located in your overhead bin. Locations and instructions for use of this additional aircraft may be found on the safety information card. Also on the safety information card, you'll find instructions for use of the escape lines.
Not yet.
Look out the window. Remember on the way home. Good. Case, you looking out the window? Here we go, Alessi. Are you excited? They got rock candy. Let me see your rock candy. So that their ears don't hurt. And I got Alessi a little fruit roll. Here we go. What?
Is it broken?
Is it broken?
Yeah.
Let me see. Uh-oh. No, it's not broken.
Over here.
It's just the wings.
Oh, peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly? You can have one bite before we go.
No.
We make lots of peanut butter and jellies for quick snacks because they always get hungry.
No.
So we're waiting and they are eating their PBJs.
No.
Sorry, Alessi, I gotta give you something.
The card coming up. See?
Oh, I see it. Yep. Okay, so the way I pack is I use large Ziploc bags and I put kids' clothes by the day or by the type. So in here we have all their pajamas and play clothes. I intermix so that I don't have to pack double pajamas and play clothes. They could use it for either one. In these big ones, I have 3 different going out outfits. So for dinner, every night we go out, I have 1, 2, 3, and I have another pack with 2 outfits because we'll be here for 5 nights. In this one, I have all their bathing suits. I packed a lot of different bathing suits because we have all matching ones and it's a vacation, so that's why. Are you okay? And then finally in the little ones, I have each day outfit, what they're gonna wear during the day starting at breakfast. Very nice. I have the boys matching and the girls matching.
Right now, Mom.
And this is our view.